Hey, it's Keith here, Keith's Garage, and I'm going to show you how to fix a Ring camera. Well, it's a Ring, I don't know which one it is, hold on. Spotlight. It's the Ring Spotlight Cam. One of these guys. Fix the lens. So, here's the old lens. If you can see here, if it'll focus on it. Anyway, I don't know if you can see, but I polished this up and it's still blurry. It's still messed up. But it was a lot worse. I mean, you couldn't even see the lens at all. So I polished this. It's all plastic, I guess, and I just polished it. But still, around the edges, it's cracked. It's messed up. This will not give a clear picture. This is just a plug-in one. So I got another lens. And I don't want to take it out, because it was a pain to get in there and get it correct, but you can see here it's pretty clear. All right, there you go. You can see it looks pretty clear. So what I had to do is, if you screw in this lens, oh come on, really? If you screw this lens in that I bought all the way, it starts being blurry. If you don't screw it in enough, it's blurry. So you have to get it exactly right. So what I did is, I don't know if you can tell, let me see that orange inside there. I put some O-rings around. I just have these O-rings for like fuel and stuff. It's probably, probably get some different O-rings. So a variety of different O-rings, and I think, it was one of these sizes. I don't know. I think it was this size and this size fits, so that's a 10.77 by 2.62 millimeters and 12.37 by 2.6. Oh, same millimeter. I don't know what that. I don't know. It must be a thickness. Yeah, that's probably the thickness of these things. And then the they're not really that pliable. Anyway. This is probably the whole size. Whatever. These work. You can get, I think you probably get whatever kind of O-rings you want. But the part that I'm telling you is longer is, see this little shank right here? The other one is, it's longer. It's noticeably longer. And that's why it doesn't focus in there. If you screw it all the way in, it's blurry. So you have to get it to the right tightness, I guess. Do that, like I said, I put some O-rings on there, and then I had to use some pliers, and I just gently put the pliers on there. Took pliers and gently just tightened this until the image looked nice and clear in focus. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some silicone. I'm afraid water getting in there. The other one sits all the way in there. This one sits all the way in there nicely, and actually, I mean, there's no seal. They do put a little bit of rubber, looks like a glue gun there, and so it stays still. Anyway, I'm going to get some silicone around here. Maybe put tape over the lens first, and then put silicone around it in case I get silicone on the lens, so I don't take it off. And there you go. And then I'm going to put this back up, and it works fine. The other thing is to get the old one out. You see, I didn't damage it. I was able to just put my thumb on it. So what I did was I put my thumb on it and just turned it. I had to put a lot of pressure and turn, and then once it got to where I could get some fingers on it, I was able to just turn it. This one here, you can see it sticks out. So this is not 100% the right lens, but this one works. Put some O-rings, put some silicone, it will work. I'll have a link to this lens in the description down below. So if you want to use this one, I'm going to try other ones too, but this is the first one I tried and I made it work. They're not that expensive. You're talking like maybe less than $20, less than $15 for one of those little lenses. So I'm going to try to buy more. If I find one that fits perfectly, I will come back. I'll do another video and update everybody, let them know which one fits perfectly. But this is just trial and error. I can't find online anywhere that says use this one. So, and I looked on this thing. There's no part number. There's nothing on here. There's nothing. I mean, so Ring must get this made for him with nothing. So you don't just go buy it. So anyway, yep. Like I said, I'll put the link. You can buy that. You can fix your Ring. How much are these Ring cameras? $130, $150, whatever they are. So save you some money. Just replace the lens. Like I said, polishing it didn't really work for me. I did see it did work for some people. Didn't work for me. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.